In order to remove power button shortcut on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first of all, we need to go to settings. In the settings, scroll all the way down and choose additional settings, and then go to gesture shortcuts. And then over here you should be able to find, for example, launch digital assistant, which allows you to press and hold the power button to show the Gemini or Google Assistant. So if you don't want this to happen, if you want, for example, to see the power menu after you press and hold the power button, then you can disable this option. So now if I press and hold the power button, then I have the power menu. However, there are two more shortcuts that we can actually find over here that are related to the power button. That is the launch camera and the flashlight. So in both cases, we can use one of these and we can double press the power button in order to activate one or the other. So if you don't want them to use because you have them enabled or something, then you can turn them off over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!